Want to grow your business with JungleScout's powerful reports, but not sure where to start? In this quick guide, we're going to dive into exactly how to use JungleScout's reports to fuel your business growth. Stick with me till the end, and I'll also share a special deal that lets you access JungleScout for free with some exclusive bonuses. If you're unfamiliar with JungleScout, it's a tool designed to give e-commerce businesses a serious edge in product research, helping them identify profitable niches and opportunities. But to really harness its potential, you need to understand how to use the data JungleScout provides effectively. And that's exactly what we're covering today. One of the first key reports you should be exploring is the Buey Product Database Report. This is essentially your treasure map. With this tool, you can filter through thousands of products based on specific criteria such as price, category, sales volume, and more. This helps you pinpoint high-demand, low-competition products that are perfect for your business. By focusing on products with steady sales and solid reviews, you can ensure you're tapping into a market that has potential. Next, let's talk about the Product Tracker. This is your ongoing monitor for product performance. You can use it to track sales history, trends, and even competitors over time. By keeping an eye on how similar products are performing, you'll be able to adjust your strategy, whether it's tweaking pricing or testing new ad campaigns. If you've got a product you're considering selling, the Product Tracker lets you assess its potential for long-term growth, not just short-term success. Another incredibly valuable feature is the Sales Analytics Report. Here's where the magic of data visualization comes in. This report shows you the sales performance of your products, including revenue, units sold, and trends over time. By understanding how your products are performing in different seasons or marketing cycles, you can make smarter decisions on pricing, advertising, and inventory management. If you want to look at things from a higher level, the Tiansa Opportunity Finder Center is a must-have. This report combines data from various sources to show you emerging trends and products that might be the next big thing. Whether you're looking to enter a new market or just stay ahead of competitors, the Opportunity Finder highlights niches with low competition and high demand, giving you a competitive advantage. But here's the secret to making the most of JungleScout's reports. Context. It's easy to get overwhelmed by all the numbers and metrics, but knowing how to interpret these reports is crucial. If you're new to the software, don't rush through the data. Take your time to understand the trends and how they relate to your business model. By combining these insights with your own knowledge of the market, you'll be in a better position to make informed decisions that drive business growth. And here's something that will save you even more time. JungleScout's extension. This tool is perfect for those moments when you're browsing Amazon and spot a potential product idea. With a click, you can instantly pull up key metrics about that product, its sales, reviews, and overall market performance. It's a game changer for finding winning products without needing to sift through endless data manually. Now, before we wrap up, I want to make sure you know about the exclusive deal we've arranged for you. You can access JungleScout for free through the first link in the description below, plus get some extra bonuses to help you get the most out of the software. This extended free trial will give you all the features we've talked about today, so you can start using JungleScout's reports to fuel your business growth right away. So if you want to start making smarter decisions, boost your product research, and ultimately grow your e-commerce business, check out JungleScout's reports today. Don't miss out. Click the link below to grab your exclusive free trial.